Welcome to our How to Make a Payment video. Once you're on the Rockingham Insurance website, which is ncinsquote.com, you will go to the bottom menu bar. Select the Make a Payment selection here towards the middle. Now you will see a listing of all the different carriers that you can make payments to. Find the carrier that your policy is with. In this case, we will select National General. Once you're at the carrier screen, you will see a phone number if you would like to call in your payment and make your payment directly over the phone. Or you can go to their website by clicking the URL link for that particular carrier. This will take you to their carrier page to make a payment. Now, in the case of National General, you could put in your policy number, click on Quick Payment. That will take you to another screen which will ask you for your last name. Type your last name in, and then you'll see your payment information. Once you're on the payment information screen, put in the amount that you want to pay and fill out the credit card information and hit Submit. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at 336-627-7037. Thank you very much and have a great day.